Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming you own the form and are signed into Google. That ensures file upload permissions work. Once done, open or create the form and add a new question immediately. Choose the file upload question type. It's the only built-in way to collect photos. Make sure to tell respondents they must sign in with a Google account, otherwise uploads won't be allowed. Finally, label the question clearly, for example, upload your photo, so users know what you expect. Now you configure how photos arrive and why those settings matter. First, restrict file types to images and set a sensible max size so respondents can upload from phones quickly. This protects your drive space. Then choose the maximum number of files and toggle required if every respondent must submit a photo. Next, set or inspect the response destination folder in Drive so images are stored in one place. Once configured, use Preview to test an actual upload to confirm behavior. Finish by previewing the form and performing real uploads on desktop and mobile so you catch device-specific issues. Once satisfied, choose your sharing method, link, email, or embed, and set whether sign-in or domain restriction is required. Make sure respondents know file type and size limits in the form description. If something goes wrong, check Google Drive quota, verify the form owner's permissions, and confirm the file type and size settings. Fixing one of those typically results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.